Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the Cash Building System Unlimited and going all in on your business. How are you guys today? Again, who I am? I am Sandra. I am a full-time master data analyst. I'm a mother of 3 and a grandmother of 2. And today we're going to be talking about why you want to go all in this business. For me, my problem has always been the big shiny apple. Um, and I do believe in multiple streams of income, but what I have learned is that you can't build up multiple streams of income all at one time. You got to start one at a time, or at least for me, I have to start one at a time. I've been trying to do multiple businesses to no avail. Not that I haven't made money, but it wasn't significant enough. So I set a goal for myself that I will not start another business or anything else until I have built this business up to at least 6 figures first. Once I hit 6 figures, I already have a few other opportunities that I wrote down that I would like to start next. But what I'm going to do when I say go all in this business, I am going to only focus on um, the postcard business that I'm doing right now only. But before we get into depth and I tell you more about what it is that I'm going to be doing, I did promise you guys that I would do a video of an unboxing of the materials that I got, and here it is right here. Okay, guys, so as you can see, um, that was the unboxing of those postcards. They did come in. I did get 1,000. Like I said, I am going all in. I am totally focusing on this business only. Um, I decided on how much money I can spend in this business, and that's the same thing you should do as well. Is decide upon how much money you're willing to put into the business, because that will let you know what direction you need to go as far as marketing is concerned. Um, if you feel that you have more time than money, my suggestion to you is to put the time in marketing online with doing YouTube videos, um, or maybe other social media that you might be interested in, but just be sure that whatever platform you choose, that this is where your customers will be. You want to make sure that you're not wasting any time. You want to make sure that you're getting views and that you're getting comments or uh, people that are just interested and who, that want to make a better life for themselves. They want to change their life and do better. Um, Decide how you're going to market. Like, if you're going to do the YouTube videos, make a schedule. If you're going to do the YouTube videos, make a schedule. If you're going to do social media like Instagram, try to make the system automated by signing up to one of the programs where you can have it scheduled and post without even have to make a second thought about it. You can also post in Facebook on your page, on your Facebook page, and answer questions that people might have into Facebook. There's so many other options. You can do TikTok videos. If you choose, you can even do a podcast. Um, and I will talk in depth about probably the podcast and maybe TikTok. I've thought about doing a TikTok video, but I'm not too sure yet. But right now, because there are so many options, the one thing you don't want to do is to spread yourself too thin. I say find a platform or two, no more than two, that you want to market on, and try and master those. Learn everything you can about them. Invest a little bit in yourself and in your business, maybe with some tools that you might need that or can use to help you better automate your business, getting the word out so that your business is running in spite of you, if that makes any sense. Okay, I'm not going to make this video too long because the last one I made was really too long, but we got to stay total focused. We don't want to lose focus. I am in this to win this. I'm going to give it everything I have. Um, and if you're interested and you would like to start the post office postcards system unlimited, click the link below and get started today. It's going to be right down in the description box. Okay. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as well. We have more content to come. And see you the next time. And in the meantime, let's get this money. Bye, guys. Have a good day.